Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Popflex package. So let's see what I got. So I did get 2 items today. I got one's a purse because actually I have the old one here. This is the purse I got last time. It's already, you can tell it's a little faded. I probably need to wash it. But I love this purse, and actually the only draw was that since it's so pink, sometimes you just need a classic purse, and so I got a classic one. First one, ta-da! The classic. I got a small one. There was a black canvas, but then I don't know what it possessed me to check, but there was another one, and I got the black vegan one. So I'm really excited. I think what really sold it too, because anyone who knows me knows I love pink, and the inside had pink. So I'm really excited about this black classic one, because I'm using a classic bag from time to time. Wow, there's a lot of air bubbles in this thing. Gotta keep shape. It comes with, of course, a strap, but this is the interior of the bag. Really nice. It's just like the pink one, just a black vegan leather one. So I'm excited about this. This is the one I was really looking forward to. It does come with a strap. Gotta open all of it. And that took a little bit of elbow grease to open it. They really secured it. But here's the strap. And all you do is attach it. If you want, of course, a strap, you do. I usually don't use the strap. I usually just carry it by the handle. But it doesn't hurt to see it full view. And we have the strap. Really, really cute. This is an old bra from Legatti's, and the reason I'm emphasizing it is that I also bought a Popflex bra. So let's check it out. Alright, so this is, actually I don't even know what kind of bra I bought the cool white tone bra. There were so many options. Like, I did debate getting one similar to this style because I really do wear this one a lot. It's one of my favorites. But this is the Legatti's Target one. I always butcher it. But this is that one. I ended up getting a different one. I got the tone one because I wanted to feel more secure. This is more comfy than secure. But ta-da! Here's the tone white. I got it in white just because I realized I've been wearing a lot more white shirts. So need a white bra, so let's see the fit. Okay, so I probably should have gone up a size. This is a size large. And I did measure, but I decided to go down a size because I wanted to feel really secure, which I do. But now that I see all this little, oh, you know what? It's actually not that bad. I take it back. I can squeeze into a large, but I probably should have got an extra large. But yeah, it's really comfortable, guys. What do we think? Got the tone bra and the vegan black purse. Anyway, just a little stuff. I mean, I always buy stuff. You can see the last video that I did, oh, which I'm wearing right now, are the Popflex leggings. They do, like, I just love Popflex. Like, all of this right now. Popflex. The pink purse I showed earlier was also Popflex. I bought a lot of pink items when they did the Royal Orchard. So, I'm just a fan. And you can check out my past videos. But let me know what you think of these 2 items. And I'll see you in the next one. So thanks for watching. As always, I'm just Joss'n. Bye.